Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can send a fax in Outlook. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your Outlook app and then on the top left, we're gonna click on New Mail to start a new one. Now, let's put in a subject and let's put in some contents. Now, this is where it would be different. On the 2, instead of normally typing the email address that you want to use, we're going to type in the fax address, for example. And then, after typing in the fax address, we're going to type in at efaxsend.com. And by clicking on send, this email would now send like an old school fax on this address that we just input in. Please do note that the one I use is only a sample fax address. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!